Hello, my name is Mayerly Rangel Valencia of the English course A2 of the University UNAD. My house is comfortable. There are two bathrooms, and a living room. There is also a large kitchen. In my room is my bed, a television, and my own space to my activities. My house has a very large garden. In that house we live, my two brothers, my mother, and me. Um, During the week, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I have a shower and get dressed, chocolate breakfast and sandwich. At 7 in the morning, I do my work. I return to my house and lunch at 12:30. Then I take a 40-minute nap. I shower and change and return to work at 2. I finish working at 5. At 7, I go to the gym. At 8, I see my favorite show. Then I look at the activities of university and I fall asleep at 10. And class is great, with many places to visit. People are friendly, it sunsets air beautiful, it has unique views and colonial places. Bye.